After the tower system is installed, planting can begin. The first step is to fill the bucket of the tower system with water. About 30 liters is enough. In the second step, you need to add nutrient solution. Add nutrient solution A first, and then energize it, so that the nutrient solution can be more fully integrated into the water. Then add nutrient solution B. After adding, wait for water circulation to allow the nutrient solution to fully dissolve. The third step is to transplant. During installation, the planting basket does not need to be placed in the planting hole because vegetable seedlings need to be placed in the planting basket. We wrap the roots of the cultivated vegetable seedlings with sponges and put them into the planting basket, and then put them into the planting holes of the tower system. After the transplanting is completed, you can use the timer to set the light and water cycle time. Then add water regularly and wait for the vegetables to grow. In about a month, the vegetables will be ready for harvest.